Hi everyone, can you see this game? And I will put this guy over here and then you will put the left and right. And do you know which kind of motion was that? Yes, you guessed it right. It's unrandom motion. Hi, I'm Pranshi Midori of grade 6th day and today I will tell you that why was the car moving like that. The car was moving downwards due to gravitational force and the zigzag pattern of it causes to bounce randomly side by side. And this is one of the examples from random motion.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanishka from grade 6A and today I'm going to tell you about vibratory motion. Small and rapid oscillations are called vibration. Small and rapid to and fro movement of a body or its part is known as vibratory motion. Vibratory motion produces sound. In this model, when I pull the rubber band, it creates a sound of vibration. Thank you.